Guys, right, listen, there's a lot going on. Just got signage. Signage arrived. I've got my monkey faces. I don't know if you can make that out from here. About 48, 50 of them. Eventually I'll cut them all up like this. Moody monkeys. Don't look so moody. Missed the trick there, didn't I? I should have turned the frown upside down. But yeah, I'm going to cut these out, sticking to the game, which I'll actually bear with me on the camera angles, guys. I've been recording a bit of content lately, which I'll upload, but essentially they'll stick to hinges over here. It's going to fill up the two games, so I'll just get on with that. Trying to work in this space, there's not a great deal of space. Just move this again so we can check out what I'm doing. These are the balloon boards, by the way. Done them the other day. I'll tell you a little bit about a story. As I'm cutting these, I've already sort of pre-marked. They're 15 by 15. Pretty sharp knife. It's actually my knife that I use for cutting turf. See how it goes. I'm probably going to have to cut both sides. A bit annoying, time consuming. Timing is everything. Anyway, on to that story about the. I'm actually going to try and find a firm edge quickly. Here we go. Oh. Been fantasizing lately about potentially getting a warehouse. Toyed with the idea for a long time. Obviously, quite windy outside, so excuse the garage door banging. But essentially, what I'm just doing here is getting a nice edge so I can score right along there. Hopefully, make things a bit easier. I mean, these aren't coming up straight, so I'm going to have to think of something else. It's not going to be much of a problem, but essentially, obviously, that's the target they're going to be working on hitting. I tell you what, there's always flies knocking around. Does my head in. Anyway, yeah, I was looking for balloons the other day. Still can't believe it. I bought about 6,000 balloons. RRP over $1,200, $1,300, and got them down to $300. So I was quite happy about that. to come apart a bit easier. About 50 to do, so better get cracking. As long as they're sort of the same size, I guess it doesn't really matter. But I'll pause this, cut them all up, and then move on to the next bit.